Mastering business process standardization. Standardization demands ruthless prioritization, or it will suffocate. How can we identify and prioritize the critical success factors for process standardization, and what strategies will we employ to ensure their successful implementation and ongoing adherence across the organization? Identifying and prioritizing critical success factors for process standardization is a crucial step towards achieving operational excellence. To ensure successful implementation and ongoing adherence, a structured approach is necessary. Here's a comprehensive solution to identify and prioritize critical success factors, along with strategies for successful implementation and adherence. Identifying critical success factors. 1. Conduct a thorough process analysis. Map out the current state of the process, highlighting inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement. This will help identify the key process inputs, activities, and outputs. 2. Gather stakeholder input. Engage with process owners, subject matter experts, and end users to understand their pain points, concerns, and suggestions for improvement. 3. Analyze performance metrics. Review key performance indicators, KPIs, such as cycle time, throughput, quality, and cost to determine areas that require standardization. 4. Determine compliance and regulatory requirements. Ensure standardization meets all relevant regulatory and compliance requirements. 5. Assess organizational goals and objectives. Align process standardization with the organization's overall strategy, mission, and vision. Prioritizing critical success factors. 1. Categorize and prioritize. Group critical success factors into categories such as customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, quality, cost, and compliance. Prioritize these categories based on their impact on the organization. 2. Apply a weighted scoring model. Assign weights to each category based on their relative importance. Score each critical success factor against each category, and calculate an overall score to determine the priority. 3. Develop a prioritization matrix. Plot the critical success factors on a matrix with axes representing impact and feasibility. Focus on the most critical and feasible factors first. Strategies for successful implementation and ongoing adherence. Phase 1, Planning and Design, Weeks 1 to 4. 1. Establish a standardization project team. Assemble a cross-functional team with representatives from relevant departments. 2. Develop a standardization roadmap. Create a detailed project plan, including timelines, milestones, and resource allocations. 3. Define process boundaries and scope. Clearly define the process boundaries, scope, and limitations to ensure a focused approach. Phase 2, Process Design and Development, Weeks 5 to 12. 1. Design and develop standardized processes. Utilize tools like process flowcharts, swim lane diagrams, and value stream maps to design and develop standardized processes. 2. Establish process documentation and procedures. Create process documentation, standard operating procedures, SOPs, and work instructions to support the standardized process. 3. Develop training programs and materials. Create training programs and materials to educate employees on the new standardized processes. Phase 3, Testing, Piloting, and Refining, Weeks 13 to 18. 1. Pilot the standardized process. Pilot the standardized process in a controlled environment to test and refine it. 2. Collect feedback and refine the process. Gather feedback from stakeholders, identify areas for improvement, and refine the process accordingly. Phase 4, Rollout and Adoption, after Week 18. 1. Roll out the standardized process. Deploy the standardized process across the organization, providing training and support to employees. 2. Monitor and measure performance. Track and analyze KPIs to ensure the standardized process meets performance expectations. 3. Continuously review and improve. Regularly review and refine the standardized process to maintain its effectiveness and ensure ongoing adherence. Change management and communication strategy. 1. Develop a communication plan. Create a comprehensive communication plan to educate stakeholders about the standardization effort. 2. Establish a change management framework. Utilize a structured change management approach, such as ADKAR or Kotter's 8-step model, to facilitate organizational adoption. 3. Provide training and support. Offer training, coaching, and support to ensure employees understand and can execute the standardized process. By following this structured approach, organizations can successfully identify and prioritize critical success factors, implement standardized processes, and ensure ongoing adherence to achieve operational excellence.